What is the best way to extend LLM capabilities and give it knowledge from the real world? Of course, it's MCP server. So let's write our own today. Hi everyone, my name is Dima, and today we are going to write Python MCP server in less than 3 minutes. Unfortunately, it took me 6 minutes. Let's go. First of all, we need to do uv init, then we need to do uv add FastMCP. Our next step is to add another library called MCP CLI. We need a new file here. Let's call it server.py. In this file, we need to do import MCP server FastMCP import FastMCP from FastMCP. So here we have it. FastMCP. Let's call it letter counter MCP. And right now we need to define it with a description tool for counting letters in the text. And the name of the tool will be letter counter. Let's do it. Let's define our function count. It will take text, the type field. We also need to import from identic import field, and this field should have a description text to count letter in, and another field will be letter, its field with a description letter to count for. So here's our function, and the implementation is pretty simple. Text lower count letter lower. So everything is ready. We just need to write some additional magic. MCP run is stdio. So the best way to check how everything works is uv run mcp dev server.py. This is the simplest and the most straightforward. So you can see our server is here. We can connect to it. So we can see the tools. Here is our letter counter tool. Let's write here strawberry, and let's count letter R here. Let's execute it, and the result is 3, which is totally correct. But the best way to check how it works is to check it through some application like claude-code. By the way, if you don't know how your application interacts with MCP server, or you don't even know what is the reason to use MCP server, go and check this video. It's really helpful. We can write something like Claude MCP add letter counter with the scope user. Then we need to write some pvd magic to run everything correctly. Okay, so we just added our MCP server. Let's run Claude. Ollama launch Claude model gamma 4 cloud. Awesome. So here we are. Let's ask it, please count letters R in the word strawberry. We expect Claude to talk with Gamma with our model, and model should decide to use the tool. Yeah, okay, you can see tool use, yeah, letter counter, call letter counter with letter R and text strawberry. Awesome. Of course, we want to invoke this tool. We can see that, yeah, there are 3 letters R in strawberry. Awesome. This proved us that we wrote really good instrument. We allowed our LLM to count the words. And yeah, right now you know that you can extend your LLM with anything you want. You can provide any tools you need in your regular work, and you can extend LLM with some tools, with some calculations, with some HTTP calls, whatever you want. So hope you enjoyed today. I enjoyed a lot. Please subscribe for more videos related to AI, and hope to see you soon. Bye bye. Take care.